Hi, y'all. So, first of all, it's me without a mask. Woohoo! So I wanted to show you how to get to the New York Times and how to be able to access your free subscription, which, by the way, your tuition dollars are paying for. So I'm going to just show you step by step. So you go to library.cfc.edu, and here where you go to databases, you should be able to find under N, it should be New York Times right there. And when you click on that, it will ask you to find your school. And if you type in College of Charleston, it will send something to your email address. Hold on. Ugh, I can't type today. Yep, there we are. So there we are. And then it'll send something to your, my pass is still active, but it'll send something to your email address. If you click on that, then you should be able to get a pass, and then you should be able to get into New York Times for free. And then once my pass expires, then I can claim a new pass. So hopefully that's helpful to you, not only in terms of reading this article, but in terms of accessing the New York Times in general, which is a wonderful resource. All right, great. Thank you, guys.